background of armed forces. For 20 years I have been in armed forces, and now I am looking for an entrepreneurial journey, of which I have come to this workshop which is being conducted from idea to reality at Lemon Ideas, and it has been an experience of past 2 days wherein we have interacted with our fellow people, and the classroom session where a lot of structured methodology was put in by Deepak, and his teaching method is fantastic, unconventional, and it gets us straight to the ground on how to ideate, how to think, how to experiment with our ideas and come to a conclusion whether the idea is workable or not.